Welcome to my fish room. Okay, now we're at our destination and the shark box is coming off. The straps.
Want the small tank?
Yeah, put the small tank on top of that other dolly. So it's now 4:07. We started at 4 o'clock. That's 12 hours ago. No, 5 o'clock. Well, 11 hours ago. We're losing our ability to tell time. I'll put it at this end and then put both of them on this. One trip. You get it? Don't lift from the trim. No, no, no. That's called having a broken tank.
On a hand?
Yeah, somebody come and give him a hand.
Please.
Because he's pulling on the trim. Pulling on trim sometimes is fun.
Sorry, just says something else there.
Pulling on trim.
I'm not going to get cameras on recording, so I'll be good.
I never say anything dirty.
Untoward.
Nothing untoward or out of place or everything is apropos.
Where are the other buckets?
Down.
One's
Down
in there.
already. I know, but did anyone separate the three freshwater and the one saltwater?
Well, they're gonna notice.
Well, I had to separate it.
Bring this back up.
100% sure where he's
Huh?
I'm not 100% sure where it's going, but I'm sure someone in there knows.
It's going in the
Front corner.
Okay.
I even know.
Ask that question.
Yeah. So get everything else small out.
I need to get home to take my dog.
Yeah. Well, we're going home after we're done.
Okay, well I'm gonna take her out before I take Chris home.
That's okay. I'm okay with that. And there's the pumps, water nets, assorted power bars.
Okay, we have a minor problem.
What?
This is totally stripped. It won't go back on. I've tried. That's why it took 40 minutes to get the damn thing off.
And that's only a minor problem?
Well, because you can do what you did with that one.
It's only partially stripped.
Yeah. So that one's easier to work with.
Well, let's look at all the ones that we, because we had,
That's
the best one.
One. If
Okay,
you can
well.
work your magic with that and put a 3/4 inch in there, we're good.
Okay. Well, take the pail off, send the gate back up. See, there's ways and there's means. We means to have some ways. Okay, well, we'll turn the camera off because I'm going to shoot this other little segment as a standalone too. Alright. Okay. Sometimes when you're cutting pipe in the middle of the night and you're supposed to cut here and somebody whose initials are Mike cuts there, you have to take a piece of smaller PVC, shave it down, put it inside, make a sleeve, and then put a 1-inch piece over it, and then you got it going. Okay? Now, everybody gives me grief for being a pack rat. The reason I'm a pack rat is because I'm so often rewarded for being a pack rat. Because I have these things in my truck, I'm able to hook this tank up and go home and go to bed. Okay? So now, when we were taking that other one apart, see how these threads are totally stripped? See, that's how he was supposed to cut the other one, but well, you know, sometimes things happen. So, we can't use that. This one here we had to cut off at the other place. So what we're going to have to do is make a sleeve, just like that, put it in there, cut a piece of 1 inch, put it over top. This is how you do it. Okay? See? Being a pack rat is good.
No, it's really not.
You are rewarded for it. See, if I wasn't a pack rat, move that lid. Take it off.
So Eric, you want to grab the shop vac or you're good?
Okay. He didn't grab it. So we're just going to take that. This is a wood rasp.
Any screws?
What?
Any little screws?
In the truck, yeah?
No.
Why?
I just grabbed the caulking gun and then...
Yeah, in the truck and you know the little clear plastic container.
Where?
In the truck, in the front. You know the little clear plastic containers with screws in them. You get at the dollar store. There's 3 or 4 of them around the front. And if not, they're in the tubs. See, I like buying little packages of screws. Well, being a pack rat is good.
I get shit for it.
Well, I don't have anybody that can yell at me.
It's proven in too many place cases that it's...
Well, it saved me from having to drive long distances to fix the problem that I can fix with stuff I got. Yeah, you can't really hear me. Okay, this is going to get pretty boring pretty soon, so I'm going to turn the camera off and we're going to show you a little bit later on.